Namaskaram to all. We are discussing the chapter 6 Principles of Ecology. Let's continue the topic with ecological factors. There are two main factors. They are abiotic factors and biotic factors. Under abiotic, climatic factors, edaphic factors and topographic factors it to be discussed. Let us discuss climatic factors first. In climatic factors, we are going to discuss about light, temperature, wind, water and fire. First, light. Light is a well-known factor needed for its basic physiological processes of plants, such as photosynthesis, transpiration, seed germination and flowering. The portion of the sunlight which can be resolved by the human eye is called visible light. I repeat again, the portion of the sunlight which can be resolved by the human eye is called visible light. The visible part of light is made up of wavelength from about 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. The rate of photosynthesis is maximum at blue 400 to 500 nanometer and red 600 nanometer to 700 nanometer. The green 500 to 600 nanometer wavelength of spectrum is less strongly absorbed by the plants. Based on the tolerance to intensities of light, the plants are divided into two types. They are heliophytes, that means light loving plants, example angiosperms. Next, xeophytes, that means shade loving plants, example bryophytes and pteridophytes. Next, under climatic factors is wind. Air in motion is called wind. It is also a vital ecological factor. The atmospheric air contains a number of gases, particles and other constituents. The composition of gases in atmosphere is as follows: nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, argon and other gases 0.93%. The other components of wind are water vapor, gaseous pollutants, dust, smoke particles, microorganisms, pollen grains, spores, etc. Anemometer is the instrument used to measure the speed of wind. Next, effects of wind. Wind is an important factor for the formation of rain. It causes wave formation in lakes and ocean, which promotes aeration of water. Strong wind causes soil erosion and reduces soil fertility. It increases the rate of transpiration. Helps in pollination in anemophilous plants. You know what is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of water from the plant as a water vapor through the aerial parts of the plant. Anemophilous means the kind of pollination. Pollination by wind is called anemophilous, right? Wind also helps in dispersal of many fruits, seeds, spores, etc. Strong wind may cause uprooting of big trees. Unidirectional wind stimulates the development of flag forms in trees.